The topic we are going to discuss about is carboxylic acids, and the subtopic is preparation of carboxylic acids. Let's discuss the methods of preparation in detail. So the first reaction is from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohols or aldehydes जब भी oxidize होते हैं in the presence of potassium dichromate, they yield carboxylic acids. So here you have ethanol. Ethanol को जब आप treat कराएंगे in acidic medium with potassium dichromate, you get ethanol, that is an aldehyde. और फिर ethanol को जब आप treat करवाएंगे further, you get an ethanoic acid. Next is from aldehydes. Aldehydes जो हैं आप उनको mild oxidizing agents का treat करके भी carboxylic acid treat कर सकते हैं, like Tollens reagent. Ethanol oxidize होके it will yield ethanoic acid. The next method is from alkanenitriles, compound having a cyanide group called nitriles. Hydrolysis of an alkane nitrile with acids or alkalis yields carboxylic acids. Alkane nitrile को सबसे पहले आप hydrolysis करवाएंगे in the presence of an acid or alkali, it will yield a carboxylic acid. So here we have ethane nitrile react with H2O in the presence of HCl, it will yield ethanoic acid plus a side product. The next method is from Grignard reagent. Reaction is carried out by passing carbon dioxide through ethereal solution या फिर by adding Grignard reagent to crushed ice suspended in ether. Addition product form होगी जिसको आप mineral acid के साथ react करवा के carboxylic acid produce करवा सकते हैं. So here you can see we have a Grignard reagent. जब आप उसको carbon dioxide के साथ react करवाएंगे, it will form an adduct. और adduct को जब आप hydrolysis करवाएंगे, it will yield a carboxylic acid or a side product. Next is by the hydrolysis of esters. Ester on boiling with concentrated sodium hydroxide yield salt of acid और उस salt को आप HCl के साथ treat करके carboxylic acid obtain कर सकते हैं. Here we have the reaction. जब भी आप ईस्टर को सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ ट्रीट कराएंगे यू विल गेट सॉल्ट और उस सॉल्ट को आप HCl के साथ ट्रीट करके यू गेट एन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. The last method is through oxidation cleavage of alkenes. Alkenes when heated with alkaline KMnO4 are cleaved with a double bond to form carboxylic acids. 2-butene react with 4 oxygen to yield ethanoic acid. ये डबल बॉन्ड क्लीव होके it will yield ethanoic acid. यहाँ से जो ऑक्सीजन है वो ऐड हो जाएगा and carboxylic acid will form. Let's discuss a question. Alkane nitriles and boiling with which type of acid give organic acids? The options are organic, phenol, alcohol या mineral acids. And the correct option is mineral acids. या आप acids के साथ treat कर लें या फिर आप alkalis के साथ treat कर लें. So this was all about the preparation of carboxylic acids. I hope you have understood it well and thank you so much.